Pump is 7 kilometers, man.
7.
Yes. I tell you, if you lose it there, don't look.
No, I have the GPS. It comes back. See.
It will automatically come back.
Yeah.
Oh.
I tell you, you need to buy one of these. You can just sit here and just check all the pumps.
Do an overview.
So these are the water stuff, right?
Yeah.
Then the prawns here today.
Yeah, these are the prawn.
It'd be cool if it's waterproof as well.
So they put nets. No, these are nets, right?
Yeah, there are nets there.
Ah, here there are nets here. So
Yeah.
this is also empty then here.
Yes.
We got ponds here also, no?
Yeah.
So this is like a non-harvest period, is it?
No, that is sculpturing. This is already harvested.
Okay.
So this is what you generally pump the water from the lagoon,
From
isn't
the
it?
lagoon.